Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, giving you a closer look at the Eclipse Perch mounted hand shields from Cycra. Alright, so we're giving you a closer look at the Eclipse Perch mounted hand shield coming from Cycra. Now you guys know that here at Rocky Mountain we have a lot of handguards to choose from. This is more of your MX style handguard, so it's open on the outside. You might hear it called an open or just a standard handguard. But what is unique about these that really separates them from a lot of the others is how they mount. So the way these mount is actually just right up to your clutch and your brake perches. So most handguards you will see they'll have a mount and a clamp that goes on the handlebar. So for some riders that have a lot of controls or just different switches on the bars, it can be kind of a hassle in some situations to get that type of handguard mounted up. So with these, just makes install really simple. Now keep in mind that these are machine specific. So when you're picking yours up, just make sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of the bike that you're shopping for, and that's gonna make sure you get correct fitment. But the way they mount up is really simple. You can see I've got this one here on my right, fully disassembled, but all you're gonna do, take this plastic piece, you can see it mounts right on the inside of the handguard or the shield itself. And then you're gonna take the pivot bolts that come included. These are gonna be a little bit longer. You're just gonna replace your stock bolts that you have now. And then you're gonna take, what's cool is this protective cover for your master cylinders for the clutch and the brake. And these two are actually gonna go together. And those are gonna mount together, and then you're gonna have that pinch bolt or that pivot bolt holding this to the actual perch itself. And then once you have it mounted up, you're good to go. What I like about these two, very large hand shields, so plenty of protection, plenty of coverage from the roofs, rocks, debris, whatever it might be. And as I said earlier, when it comes to mounting, very simple, just goes right up to your perches. And there they are, that is the Eclipse Perch mounted handguard coming from Cycra. If you guys do have any questions about these, make sure to leave your comments below. Also, we do have a handguard buyer's guide where we talk about the different styles of handguards that are available. We also do show you some of our favorite picks as well, so make sure to give that video a watch. To pick yours up now, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember that orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight video and you want to see more like it, along with our bike builds, our how-to videos, our buyer's guides, well, just make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.